Just wanted to shoot a quick video. Birds about, I think, 49 degrees in here. I'm snuggled up under the covers. There's Roxy snuggled up next to me. It's supposed to be a nor'easter tonight, tomorrow, up here in Maine. It's probably going to be getting, it says anywhere from 6 to 10 inches. So, we'll have a nice video tomorrow morning showing you a day in the life of wintry Maine in the motorhome with the Roxy. Alright, stay tuned. Oh boy. First blizzard. Oh Lord. Ooh. Oh, it's your first blizzard. Are you ready for this? Roxy, are you ready for this? Oh my word. Oh. She doesn't have a really good coat on right now. She likes this one better, but we're gonna have to put that on later. Go potty! Oh my word, you don't like it, do you, Florida dog? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, come on, go potty. Oh my word, she doesn't know what to do. Oh no. Oh, I don't think she likes it. I don't think she likes it. You don't like it? I don't either. What do we have already here? A couple inches. Let's say 3 inches. That's the motorhome. Tour to come. Oh no. Oh, my phone. So what I got going today, I'm actually going to eat this early lunch. I didn't eat any breakfast. But yeah, yesterday I just cooked up some beef, made some tacos. So today I just added some rice I had cooked up, black beans, and I'm just reheating this up, and I'm going to make a couple tacos with some cheese. On a snowy day, cold day, figure to heat myself up, and you can't forget the hot sauce. Alright, so I've just got the mixture in here with some white onion, cheese, topped with arugula, sour cream, hot sauce, and after I eat this, we're going to attempt to take Roxy on another walk in the snowstorm. Be sporting good old Maine boots. Oh, these are hard to put on one-handed. Good old LL Bean. Old Maine company here. Now that I'm back in Maine, I get all kinds of good LL Bean gear. Excuse me. There, gotta get the boots on. I must say those tacos were good. We're gonna put a different jacket on you, Roxy. Yeah, we are. Yeah, tacos hit the spot. The arugula just gives it just something a little different. It's kind of what I have on hand. I like to make arugula salads. I use arugula a lot. So anyway, that's Roxy, my Florida dog. So after I've been traveling around for the past 6 years, out west, Colorado, Utah, then went down to Florida, spent some time with my grandparents, and now I'm back in my home state of Maine. And this is Roxy, the star of the show. She's going to be my new adventure dog. So, yep, back in Maine, decided enough nomad. I'm going to buy a piece of land and do some off-grid living. So that's why I'm in the motorhome right now, in my brother's property. You know, in basically his backyard. So yeah, I'll be that until I can get my land and all my stuff ready to go. It's probably going to take me, a year, 6 months to a year or so. So anyway, follow the channel. Welcome to my channel. Follow our adventures and being in a motorhome in Maine through the winter. So motorhome in Maine through the winter. And today is our first blizzard. So you can see I got a little 1500 watt electric heater. I am plugged into some power into my brother's garage. Just a basic plug-in. This is not, 30 amp or 50 amp or anything. So, I got minimal. I run this. I can't run the microwave at the same time or whatever. So, yeah, alright. You itching to go? Let's put your other coat on. Let's do this. What do you think? What do you think? Oh. Oh, come on. Come on, go on a walk. Oh, she said, no, Papa. You don't want to go? You don't want to go on a walk? Come on. She said, no way. You want to go back? No way. Oh, look at the So this is another winter coat she has. Kind of fits her a little snug up underneath here. But anyway, this one I think is a little warmer. It's not. It's just a little tight on her, so she doesn't like it as much. All right, let's try this again. Oh, let's see. Oh, this still smells pretty good. So that's pretty much going to wrap up this video. So yeah, my first video. Please like. It'd be awesome. Help me out and subscribe and follow our adventures in motorhome living, saving up for land to build an off-grid homestead. And Roxy is not liking this snow whatsoever. Usually you like the camera. She's mad at me. I don't make it snow. Alright, everybody. Thanks for watching.